Hey, my name is Priyavrat Mishra and you all are watching me on your favorite channel Ulta Soch. My dear friends, 3 question ର ପ୍ରଥମ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଆମେ ସାରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ପ୍ରଥମ ୟୁନିଟ୍ରୁ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି କି କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ରାଜା ତାଙ୍କ ଯେଉଁ 3ଟି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ର ଆନ୍ସର ପାଇବା ଚକ୍କରରେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ପ୍ରୟାସ କରିଥିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ବିଫଳ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି। ଲର୍ନ ଫେଲୋ ଯେତେ ବି ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏ ସବୁଥିରେ सी संतुष्ट लाभ होई नाहंती। सो देखिबा किभଳି भाबरे से जो हर्मिट को मीट करछंती तापर कोन होची हर्मिट तांकर आंसर किभଳି भाबरे दोउछंती और कोन सब घटनावली घटुची। यूनिट 2 को जिबा। होप दिस यूनिट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू यू। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड प्लीज कीप वाचिंग। थैंक यू। सो आमे आरंभ करिबा यूनिट 2 को एबे। यूनिट 2 रो वार्म अप देखिबा। Do you think the king called the hermit to answer his questions? Did he call on the hermit for answer to his questions? Read the following unit of the text and follow what the king does. आपको कौन लगुची राजा हर्मिट को डकिले ना निजे जाइंकी तांको भेटिले? कॉल ऑन मीन्स भेटिबा। राजा निजे जाइंकी भेटिले ना राजा तांको डाकिले? देखिबा। The text. The hermit lived in a wood which he never quitted, and he received none but common folk. So the king put on simple clothes, and before reaching the hermit's cell, dismounted from his horse and leaving his bodyguard behind, went on alone. hermit कर कौन थिला ना सी एक वुड रे रहुथिले which never quitted माने गोटे छोटो जगह रे रहुथिले वुड रे राइट जोटा को से केबे छाड़ी नथिले राइट आउ से केवल कॉमन साधा लोक मान को ही भेटुथिले अन्य बड़ बड़िया को नहु। तेणु राजा कौन कले ना ही पुटन माने पिंधिबा साधा पोशाक पिंधिकी गले आउ हर्मिट कर ये रे पहुँचवा आगुरु कौन कले ना घोड़ारू डिस्माउंट हेले ओल्है पड़िले बॉडीगार्ड मान को पछरे छाड़ी के एकुटिया गले। When the king approached the hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut. Seeing the king, he greeted him and went on digging. The hermit was frail and weak, and each time he stuck his spade into the ground and turned a little earth, he breathed heavily. hermit राजा जाइए अप्रोच कले आज्ञा टे शुणे कि hermit जाए कौन करते से समय घर आगे जो कुड़िया आगे खोलुले। तेणु से राजा को देखी कौन कले ना सी ग्रीट कले राजा को आउ खोलिबारे व्यस्त रहिले। हर्मिट फ्रेल थिले बा वीक थिले आउ जेते थर से तांको से जो कोदाल रे जो हाणुछंती से धइसे होचंती टिके माटी बाहरुची से बहुत जोरे ब्रेथ हेविली धइसे होचंती राइट। The king went up to him and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I most need and to whom should I therefore pay more attention than to the rest? And what affairs are the most important and need my first attention? राजा गले तांको पाखु पचारिले हे वाइज हर्मिट मु आपन पाखु आसीची मोर 3टी क्वेश्चन आंसर पाइबा पाई जेमती चिराचरित भाव से 3टी क्वेश्चन केमती जानबी व्हाट इज द राइट टाइम टू स्टार्ट एवरी वर्क को लोक माने मो पे अधिक नेसेसरी तेणु तांको सुनिबे अन्य को अवॉइड करी बा तांको अधिक अटेंशन देबी आ मो पे सबुठू को काम अधिक इंपोर्टेंट जो काम मोर अधिक अटेंशन व्हिच वर्क शुड आई पुट मोर अटेंशन राइट। The hermit listened to the king but answered nothing. He just spat on his hand and recommenced digging. Hermit सुनिला किछि किंतु कहलानी पुणी थरे सेमती डिगिंग रे रिकमेंड्स माने पुणी थरे आरंभ कले कौन करिया पई ना डिगिंग करिबा पई खोलिबा पई। You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work a while for you. ले आपण क्लांत अछंती राजा कहले मते दयाकरी दियंतु स्पेड टी माने तांको कोदालटी आउ मु आपण पई खोलिबी काम करिबी। Thanks, said the hermit, and giving the spade to the king, he sat down on the ground. ଦେଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇକି କ'ଣ କଲେ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଜଣେଇଲେ ଆଉ ତଳେ ବସି ଗଲେ. When he had dug 2 beds, the king stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit again gave no answer, but rose, stretched out his hand for the spade, and said, "Now rest a while and let me walk a bit." ଦିଟା କିଆରି ଖୋଳି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ପୁଣି ପଚାରିଲେ ରାଜା. ହର୍ମିଟ୍ ପୁଣି କିଛି ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଲେ ନାହିଁ. ରାଇଜ୍ର ପାଷ୍ଟ ରୋଜ୍ ଉଠିଲେ, ହାତ ବଢ଼େଇଲେ, ଆଣିଲେ ସ୍ପାଟଟି ତାଙ୍କଠୁ, ଆଣି ସେଠି କହିଲେ ଏବେ ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ରେଷ୍ଟ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ନା ମୋତେ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. 1 hour passed and another. The sun began to sink behind the trees, and the king at last stuck the spade into the ground. ରାଜା କିନ୍ତୁ ଦେଲେ ନାହିଁ, ଯେହେତୁ ୱିକ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ହର୍ମିଟ୍, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଲେ ନାହିଁ. ପୁଣି ଖୋଳିବା ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ. ଘଣ୍ଟା ପରେ ଘଣ୍ଟା ବିତିଗଲା. ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଅସ୍ତ ହେବା ସମୟ ଆସିଗଲା. ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟାସ୍ତ ହେଉଛି. ରାଜା ଲାଷ୍ଟରୁ କ'ଣ କଲେ, ସେଇ ଖୋଳିବା ଯେଉଁ କୋଦାଳଟିକୁ କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା ତଳେ ପକାଇଦେଲେ. ଆଉ କ'ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me none, tell me so and I'll return home. କହିଲେ ୱାଇଜ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍, ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଆସିଥିଲି ମୋ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ର ଆନ୍ସର୍ ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ. ଯଦି ଦେଇପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ ଦୟାକରି ମୋତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ, ମୁଁ ରିଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ କରିଯିବି. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. Let us see who it is. ହର୍ମିଟ୍ କହିଲେ କିଏ ଜଣେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି, ଦୌଡ଼ି ଦୌଡ଼ି ଚାଲ ଦେଖିବା କିଏ. The king turned round and saw a bearded man come running out of the wood. The man held his hands pressed against his stomach, and blood was flowing from under them. When he reached the king, he fell fainting on the ground, moaning feebly. The king and the hermit unfastened the man's clothing. There was a large wound in his stomach. So ରାଜା ବୁଲିକି ଚାହିଁଲା ବେଳକୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ବିୟର୍ଡେଡ୍ ଦାଢ଼ି ଥିବା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଉଡ଼୍ରୁ ବାହାରିକି, ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଆଡ଼ୁ ବାହାରିକି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି, ବୁଦା ଆଡ଼ୁ ବାହାରି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି. ହାତ ପେଟ ପାଖରେ ଧରିଛନ୍ତି, ସେଠୁ ବ୍ଲଡ଼ ବାହାରୁଛି ସବୁ. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସି ରାଜାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ସେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲା, ତଳେ ଚେତା ବୁଡ଼ିକି ଅଚେତ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲେ, ମୋର୍ନିଂ କରୁଥିଲେ. ଦ କିଙ୍ଗ ଆଉ ହର୍ମିଟ୍ କ'ଣ କଲେ, ମିଶିକି ଅନଫାଷ୍ଟେନ୍ ଦ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ସ କ୍ଲୋଥିଂ, ଖୋଲିଲେ ତାର କ୍ଲୋଥ୍. ଆଉ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯେ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ କ୍ଷତ ବିକ୍ଷତ ହେଇଛି ତାଙ୍କ ପେଟ ପାଖରେ. ଦ କିଙ୍ଗ ୱାଶ୍ଡ ଇଟ୍ ଆଜ୍ ବେଷ୍ଟ ହି କୁଡ୍ and bandaged it with his handkerchief and with the towel the hermit had. But the blood would not stop flowing, and the king again and again removed the bandage soaked with warm blood and washed and rebandaged the wound. When at last the blood ceased flowing, the man revived and asked for something to drink. The king brought fresh water and gave it to him. Meanwhile the sun had set and it had become cool. So the king with the hermit's help carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. So ଏଠି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ରାଜା ଆଉ ହର୍ମିଟ୍ ମିଶି ତାର ସେବା କରୁଛନ୍ତି. ରାଜା କ'ଣ କଲେ, ତାକୁ ବ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଜ୍ କଲେ ଯେତେ ଭଲସେ ପାରିଲେ. ନିଜ ତାଙ୍କ ଗୋଟେ ଟାୱେଲ୍ ଥିଲା ହର୍ମିଟ୍ଙ୍କଠୁ ଆଣିକି, ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ନିଜର ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡକର୍ଚିପ୍ରେ ତାକୁ ବ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଜ୍ କଲେ. କିନ୍ତୁ ବ୍ଲଡ଼ ଜମା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଉନଥିଲା, ଥରେ ପରେ ଥରେ ବ୍ଲଡ଼ ଚାଲୁଥିଲା. ସୋ ଯେତେ ଥର ସେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେତେ ଥର ବ୍ଲଡ଼ ପୁଣି ହେଇଯାଉଛି. ତେଣୁ ସେ ପୁଣି ରିବ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଜ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି. ଏମିତି କରି 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 ବହୁତ ସମୟ ପରେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା, ବ୍ଲଡ଼ ବହିବା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଲା. ଲୋକଟି ଟିକେ ପାଣି ମାଗିଲେ ପିଇବା ପାଇଁ. କିଙ୍ଗ ତା ପାଇଁ ଫ୍ରେଶ୍ ୱାଟର ଆଣିଲେ ଆଉ ତାକୁ ପିଇବାକୁ ଦେଲେ. ତାପରେ ଲୋକଟି ଯେହେତୁ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟାସ୍ତ ହୋଇ ଆସିଥିଲା, ଥଣ୍ଡା ଲାଗିଲାଣି, କିଙ୍ଗ ହର୍ମିଟ୍ଙ୍କ ସହାୟତାରେ କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା ସେ ଲୋକଟିକୁ, ସେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଟିକୁ, କ୍ଷତଗ୍ରସ୍ତ ହୋଇଥିବା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଟିକୁ କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା ନେଇକି ହର୍ମିଟ୍ଙ୍କର ବେଡ୍ ଉପରେ ନେଇକି ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ଭିତରେ ଶୋଇଦେଲେ. Lying on the bed, the man closed his eyes and was quiet. But the king was so tired with his work and with the work he had done that he crouched down on the threshold and also fell asleep so soundly that he slept all through the short summer night. When he awoke in the morning, it was long before he could remember where he was or who was the strange bearded man lying on the bed and gazing intently at him with shining eyes. ଲୋକଟି ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା ସେଇଠାରେ ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ିଲା ରାଜାଙ୍କର ସେବା ପରେ ପାଣି ପିଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ିଲା ସେଇଠି ପୁରା ଚୁପଚାପ। ରାଜା କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି ଯେଉଁ ଚାଲିକି ଆସିଲେ ତାପରେ ହର୍ମିଟ୍ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଯେଉଁ ଖଟେଇ ଦେଇଛି କାମ କରି କରି ତାପରେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ସେବା କରି କରି ଏତେ ଥକି ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଯେ ସେଇ ଥ୍ରେଶୋଲ୍ଡ ସେଇ ତାଙ୍କର ଡୋର୍ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ ପାଖରେ କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା ଶୋଇଗଲେ। ସର୍ଟ ସମର ନାଇଟ୍, ସମରରେ ନାଇଟ୍ ବହୁତ ଛୋଟ ଥାଏ, ନିଦ ହୋଇଯାଏ ଲଗାତାର, ଆମେ ବହୁତ ସକାଳ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଶୋଇପଡ଼ନ୍ତି। ତେଣୁ ସେଇଭଳିଆ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗଭୀର ନିଦ, ଯେଉଁଦିନ ଟିକେ କାମ ଆପଣ କରିଦେଇଥିବେ ନିଦଟା ଜୋରସୋରରେ ଆସୁଥିବ। ତାପରେ ସକାଳୁ ଏକାଥରେ ସେ ଉଠିଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେ କେଉଁଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଲୋକ କିଏ ସେ କିଛି ଜାଣି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ହଠାତ୍ କିନି ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ଜାଗା ଯାଇଥିବେ ଶୋଇପଡ଼ିଛନ୍ତି, ହଠାତ୍ ଉଠିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଭାବିବେ ଏଠି କେଉଁଠି ମୁଁ ପହଞ୍ଚିଗଲି। ସେଇଭଳି ରାଜାଙ୍କ ଅବସ୍ଥା। କ'ଣ କହୁଛି ସେ ଲୋକଟି ନା ଫରଗିଭ୍ ମି said the bearded man in a weak voice when he saw that the king was awake and was looking at him. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିଲା ରାଜା ଉଠିଲେ ତାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲେ ସେ ସମୟରେ କହୁଛି ମୋତେ କ୍ଷମା କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। କିଏ କହୁଛି? ୱିକ୍ ଭଏସ୍ରେ, ପୁରା ଆସ୍ତେ ଆସ୍ତେ ଦୁର୍ବଳ ଭଏସ୍ରେ କହୁଛି, ହେ ରାଜା ମୋତେ କ୍ଷମା କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। I do not know you and have nothing to forgive you for, said the king. ରାଜା କହିଲେ ଆରେ ମୁଁ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣିନି ଆଉ ଏମିତି ବି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଯେଉଁଟା ଫଳରେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ କରିବି ନା କ୍ଷମା କରିବି, ସେମିତି କିଛି ହେଇନି। You do not know me but I know you. I am that enemy of yours who sought to revenge himself on you because you executed his brother and seized his property. I knew you had gone alone to see the hermit and I resolved to kill you on your way back. But the day passed and you did not return. So I came out from my ambush to find you, and I came upon your bodyguard and they recognized me and wounded me. I escaped from them but should have bled to death had you not dressed my wound. I wished to kill you and you have saved my life. Now if I live and if you wish it, I will serve you as your most faithful slave and will wait my sons do the same. Forgive me. କହିଲା ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଆପଣ ମୋତେ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣିଛି। ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେଇ ଶତ୍ରୁ ଯିଏ ସ୍ୱେଟ୍ କରିଥିଲା, ପ୍ରତିଜ୍ଞା କରିଥିଲା କି ପ୍ରତିଶୋଧ ନେବ ଆପଣଙ୍କଠୁ, କାରଣ ଆପଣ ମୋର ଭାଇକୁ ଏକ୍ସିକ୍ୟୁଟ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ, ଫାଶୀ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆଉ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟିକୁ ସିଜ୍ କରିଥିଲେ। ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଥିଲି ଆପଣ ଏକୁଟିଆ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ହର୍ମିଟ୍ ପାଖକୁ, ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ସେଟ୍ କରିଥିଲି କି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ୱେ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଫେରିଲା ବେଳକୁ ମାରିବି ବୋଲି। ଲୁଚିକି ଥିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ହୋଇଗଲା ଆପଣ ଫେରିଲେନି, ମୁଁ ବାହାରକୁ ବାହାରିଲି ଖୋଜିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ। ବଡ଼ିଗାର୍ଡ଼ମାନଙ୍କ ହାବୁଡ଼ରେ ପଡ଼ିଲି, ସେମାନେ ମୋତେ ଚିହ୍ନିଗଲେ ଏବଂ ମୋତେ କ୍ଷତବିକ୍ଷତ କଲେ। ତାଙ୍କଠୁ ସିନା ଖସି ଆସିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ମୋର କ୍ଷତକୁ ଡ୍ରେସ୍ କରିନଥାନ୍ତେ ମୁଁ ହୁଏତ ବ୍ଲଡ଼ ବହି ବହି ମରିଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି। ଆଇ ୱିଶ୍ ଟୁ କିଲ୍ ୟୁ, ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମାରିବା ପାଇଁ ଇଚ୍ଛା କଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ମୋତେ ମୋ ଲାଇଫ୍ ସେଭ୍ କରେଇଲେ। ତେଣୁ ଏବେ ଲାଇଫ୍, ଏ ଜୀବନ ଯଦି କେବଳ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ, ତେଣୁ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଇଚ୍ଛା କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଜୀବନ ସାରା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବିଶ୍ୱସ୍ତ ଚାକର ହୋଇ ରହିବି ଆଉ ମୋର ପୁଅମାନଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଇ କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କହିବି। ଦୟାକରି ମୋତେ କ୍ଷମା କରନ୍ତୁ। The king was very glad to have made peace with his enemy so easily and to have gained him for a friend. And he not only forgave him but said he would send his servants and his own physician to attend him and promised to restore his property. ରାଜା ଭାରି ଖୁସି ହେଲେ, ଏତେ ସହଜରେ ଶତ୍ରୁକୁ ମିତ୍ରରେ ପରିଣତ କରାଇ ପାରିଲେ। ସେ ଖାଲି ଯେ ତାକୁ ଫରଗିଭ୍ କଲେ ସେଥିନୁ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ହି ଉଡ୍ ସେଣ୍ଡ ହିଜ୍ ସର୍ଭାଣ୍ଟସ୍, ନିଜ ଚାକର ପଠେଇବେ ତାର देखा करबा पई आ ओन फिजिशियन तांको निज फिजिशियन तांको निज वैद्य डॉक्टर एमान को पठेबे ताकू देखिबा पई आ प्रोमिस कले कि ताकू तार प्रॉपर्टी रिस्टोर करई देबा पई. So now we'll move to the question answer. We have 4 questions. The king had 3 questions. Now first question. Where did the king meet the hermit? How did the hermit receive the king? The king put on simple clothes, met the hermit in the wood, which was his permanent abode. The hermit's meeting was only confined to the common folk. However, he received the king as usual. There is not a touch of ordinariness about it. After greeting the king, the hermit kept on digging the ground in front of his hut. अलगा लोक जमती भेटती सेमती किंग को भेटिले. राजा भी साधा पोशाक पिंधिकी जाइथिले, तेणु एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी किछि नथिला, सब कॉमन थिला. हाउ डिड द किंग हेल्प द हर्मिट? किंग राजा किभଳି भाबरे हर्मिट को हेल्प कले. द किंग सॉ द हर्मिट डिगिंग द ग्राउंड सिंगल हैंडेडली. The hermit was weak and frail. He seemed exhausted. The king took pity on him. दया कले तांकु, and kind as he was, he wished to lend a helping hand to the holy man. He took the spade from him and dug the ground himself. So in this way the king helped the hermit. How did the king nurse the wounded stranger? As soon as the king saw the wounded stranger, he along with the hermit opened his clothing. He carefully washed and bandaged the large wound in his stomach with his handkerchief. Yet the blood kept on flowing. Therefore, the king again and again removed the bandage soaked with blood and washed and bandaged it once again. At last, blood stopped flowing. The injured man came to his senses and asked for water. The king rose to the occasion. At last, he, along with the hermit, carried the wounded stranger to the hut. So this was the answer of how did the king nurse the wounded stranger. किभଳି भाबरे राजा से जो स्ट्रेंजर क्षत विक्षत होता स्ट्रेंजर को किभଳି हेल्प कले. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस यूनिट. Why did the wounded person decide to serve the king as his most faithful slave? काहींकि व्यक्ति जनक इच्छा प्रकाश कले राजा को तांकर सबुठारु विश्वस्त स्लेव हिसाब रे काम करिबा पाई. The wounded man was a die-hard enemy of the king. The king had executed his brother and seized his property. So the man wanted to take revenge by killing the king while he was paying visit to the hermit alone. But the way with which the king nursed him and saved his life moved the man. It was unbelievable. The hostility he had nurtured for the king vanished. His heart was filled with repentance. Therefore, the wounded person asked the king to forgive him and decided to serve the king as his most faithful servant. So these are the answers of the 4 questions we had. So my dear friends, that's it from this unit. I hope this is useful to you, and thank you very much for your kind support so far. We are about to reach 3000 subscribers. Thank you very much. Thank you.